Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I made part one making this, and I wanted to make the sticks look like they're coming out of all four sides. It looks a little deceiving, but if you continue that line, that's pretty much it. So if you watch part one, all I did differently was take this and remove that line. And then we're going to use the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and fill in these three parts with that, and that, and that. And then I'm going to get that gray and fill in that. Now, this is all one group of lines, so I can move it out of the way. And you could go ahead and take this, hold down the control button and add like 2 clicks of black. Hold down the control button on the top and add like 3 or 4 clicks of black, make it even darker. And there's a lot you can do with this more. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, double click on the rotation and put it on that node and rotate it 120 degrees. And if they don't look like they're coming out of there, I don't know what does. And then you could take this one and actually probably take it all and go group and ungroup all, and then take this one, this just suggestion, and hold down the control button and make that side a little darker. So, you could go pretty dark, and then maybe on this one, just a little bit darker by like 1 or 2 clicks. And you could even have a shadow of these that are coming out of there. But if we take the black box effect, put it in the back of the page, it looks pretty real. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.